Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
The police, in collaboration with members of the Island Traffic Authority, have embarked on a special initiative aimed at motorists whose vehicles are fitted with lights which contravene the Road Traffic Act. These include flashing lights, multicolored lights, and very broad LED lights. In addition to being illegal, some of these bright lights pose danger to road users, especially oncoming motorists. 243 of the Road Traffic Act makes provision as to lights, reflectors, horns, and noise. We started this initiative across the island last night. 375 motorists were prosecuted and 131 registration plates removed on the directive of motor vehicle examiners who were present. I'm going to briefly read in parts from Section 40, subsections 1A and 1B of the Road Traffic Act. Section 40, 1A reads in part, every motor vehicle must have two similar headlamps only, in this act referred to as obligatory headlamps, one on each side, so constructed and placed as to cast, when lighted, in the direction in which it is proceeding, a white light only. Subsection 1B reads, a lamp on the back and on the right side thereof, or the back and right side of the last vehicle attached thereto, so constructed and placed as to exhibit, when lighted, a red light visible and behind, and also a white light sufficiently clear and strong to illuminate the letter and number of the registration plate. I am imploring motorists to obey the law and ensure that their vehicles are fitted with the appropriate lights. I am also recommending those motorists who have lights fitted which are in contravention of the law to remove them and spare yourselves the inconvenience of having them removed by motor vehicle examiners and being prosecuted by the police.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the seriousskilla. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, this one is for the motorists of Jamaica, right? The police of Jamaica Constabulary Force, the law enforcers of Jamaica, they are now in the act of prosecuting and removing license plates off vehicles that are breaching a certain rules and law of the Road Traffic Act, right? Because of the old LED light, right? Some people call it LED light. You see me? I'm not sure if it's the HD light itself, but however, them say LED light, right? And they are focused on the flashing lights and the lights that are too bright, right? Causing other persons when they're driving, they can't see where they're going, right? Now, viewers and subscribers, in my point of view, this is 6 or 1.5 dozen of the other to me. You see me? If the light is too bright, it affects people for real. Some of these people on the road, they are really overdoing it with the bright lighting they're putting on their vehicles. And that's the truth. You see what I'm saying to you? But at the same time now, we need a bright enough light to see where we're going, because Jamaica have some pothole in their road. If you catch one of your wheel, the wheel good leave the night while the vehicle's still going. You get me? You know, I'm just joking still. But however, there are some real bad roads in some parts of Jamaica, you see me? People them need them light, but at the same time, some of the light them too bright. See it? For motorists that are living in Jamaica and might not know what's going on about this whole LED light thing, well, I'm telling you right about now, and this is a warning that if you have too much of it on your vehicle, or if you have it and so forth, you need to go and find out what's really going on. You know, I don't have the full details about how much light that can be there, but I'm telling you, you need to find out, and if they need to be removed, you need to remove them, because if you're caught with them out there by the police officers, you know, you could be prosecuted and you might have your license plate be removed from your vehicle. Alright, so I'm just giving you as a warning. Like I said, I'm just telling you what I understand. There might be more to it, and you need to go and find out the full information about it. Is what I'm saying to you. Yeah, and you can also let me know what you think about the LED light too as well, you know. I mean, in my point of view, some people overdo it. You see me? Tell me what you think about it. Alright. Do you think the LED light should go, or do you think that it should stay? You see what I'm saying? That is just a question. You see me? It's nothing else more than a question I'm asking. I just want to hear your opinion, how you feel about the LED light being out there. Alright? As I said, some people overdo it. Alright? Anyways, yeah, some left with viewers and subscribers. You don't know me, Dancehall. They have to keep up to date and posting, make you know what go on. Until next time, my name is Dancehall. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?